Welcome again to Buster's Poetry. This is a new poem called Mr. Reefer Man and Reefer Town. It's by that lovable pothead the Buster. Mr. Reefer Man, you can take my woman and me down to Reefer Town. Coughing all the way all Sunday. We'll be swinging from the trees enjoying the marijuana breeze. Why, we'll enjoy the different sway all this delightful day. As we also enjoy the bliss of the Mississippi River, loving everyone a little bit better. Like Shakespeare said, come what may, but also love the living and dead. And my reefer man will do for you what he can to make you happy as a clam. There, I hope you liked it. Peace, baby. Good night.